How to use Valdera baby bed. First, keep the base vertically standing. Expand the sides, make sure it locked well. Then expand down the base. Assemble the upper level. Insert the smaller cylinder in the bigger cylinder. Zip the bigger zipper, not the small one. Hang the other 3 sides. Keep balanced distances. Let's assemble the rocking rack. Make sure to open the rack for easy assembly. Let's assemble the soft organizer. Let's assemble the soft organizer. Let's assemble the net pole. Let's fold the bed. Twist the red handle and pull the base up. Press the button in each side and push the side down. Very easy.